Hey everyone, it's Jenny, and today I have my first empties of 2018. I don't know why I said that weird, but yeah, this is my first empties video of 2018. Most of these products I kind of used at the end of 17, beginning of 18, and I always like watching empties because then you kind of know if somebody likes a product or not, if they've been willing to use it all the way through, which I try to use all my products all the way through unless I just can't stand it. But let's jump right into it. Probably be some makeup, hair care, skincare, all that fun stuff. So right off the bat is this Dove Purely Pampering Body Wash. This is amazing. I would definitely repurchase. Makes your skin feels amazing. This is in the fragrance. It's shea butter with warm vanilla. It smells really good. It's not too strong of a fragrance. Lathers up great. It says #1 dermatologist recommended. So really, really good product. I would recommend that. And yes, I would repurchase. Next up is from Fab or First Aid Beauty, and this is their facial radiance pads. That it helps exfoliate, tones, brightens, alcohol-free, safe for sensitive skin. I did like these, but the last one's kind of dried out for, you know, I didn't really get any uses out of the last few. I think 10 were in this package. I like these. I would maybe repurchase. I don't think I'd repurchase, you know, I'm not dying to get it right now, but they were good. You know, they're not terrible. These were good. Another item I used, this is something, it's just like a sample in a magazine. It's the Rivtalift Bright Reveal Brightening Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer Sunscreen. I saw this in the magazine and I was using the L'Oreal Rivtalift. I'll link a video up here where I did an unboxing. I also did a review. I'll leave my review video in the link. And this was alright, but you know, it's a little tiny sample, so you can't get the full, you know, your full opinion on it when you only try like one sample that's like a one-time use. This is from, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name correctly, Toosowong. It's a sheet mask, deep seawater mask sheet, skin moisturizing. I loved this mask. Didn't really have a fragrance. Felt really good moisturizing on the skin. Definitely repurchase this. I think you might be able to get these at Walmart maybe. I think. This is a hydrating argan hair mask. Deep conditioning, hydration for softer, silkier, healthier looking hair. I think my sister used this from the brand Arvazilla. Could be saying that wrong. She liked it. She thought it was pretty good. This is another mask. This is from Purlisse. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. The green tea and ginger rejuvenating sheet mask, moisturizing and detoxifying. Again, it's hard for me to hate a sheet mask. Love this one. Thought it was good. I haven't really found any sheet masks that I don't like. My all-time favorite sheet mask from Dr. Jart, the Brightening Solution. I love Dr. Jart's packaging. But the mask itself is really, really good. It's a white mask, so it really stands out. But I love it. It's good. If you like brightening mask, I highly, highly recommend it. And this was, I'm not sure if it's Ole Henrickson, the Nurture Me cleansing cloths. My sister got these at TJ Maxx. I didn't really care for these. I just thought they were okay. She thought they were okay. I wouldn't repurchase. Wasn't terrible, but wouldn't repurchase. This is some Yes 2 Carats Nourishing Fragrance Free Gentle Cleansing Wipes. I didn't think these were fragrance free, and they burnt my skin a little, which was kind of weird. I've had another product from Yes 2 Carats, which they're supposed to be like all natural, but I don't know, my skin just, there's something, I don't know if there's something in there my skin just doesn't agree with, but I would not repurchase these. I know there's a lot of people that really like this. Maybe I need to try the Yes 2 Cucumbers. I haven't tried that, so. Another mask is the Sephora. This is the Anti-Fatigue and Energizing Mask, the Sephora brand. This one was great. I loved it. And this is, the Glamglow Bubble Sheet Mask. This was a fun mask because it bubbled up on your face and it felt really good, so I really liked it. I've got a shampoo. This is from Garnier Fructis, Full and Plush. Sorry about that siren. Got some sirens going on outside. Full and Plush, paraben-free, fortifying shampoo with pomegranate. Pomegranate is one of my favorite fragrances. And this is for fine, flat hair. And I definitely say this does give you volume. It smells really good. Pomegranate's my favorite fragrance. So, yes. Good. I would definitely repurchase. This I have repurchased and will continue to repurchase because I love it. It's the Sephora waterproof eye makeup remover. I think it's gentle. I think it does what it needs to do. Works great with a Shiseido cotton, or if you don't have a Shiseido cotton, any cotton round. Amazing, amazing. And it's the Sephora brand, so it's cheaper than if you bought, you know, like a prestige brand. This is a Make It Forever Senseyes. I first tried this. I didn't really like it, but I started using it again, and I love it. I don't know why I didn't like it to begin with, but this is really, really good. Definitely would repurchase. I would repurchase this over this just because of the price, because this is way more expensive. This was my sister's, her Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. She loved it. Most people do love this. I've tried it. I liked it. I think I like the Lancer a little bit better. The Lancer as the brand sold in Sephora. And it's very, very similar to the Dr. Brandt. But for some reason I like the Lancer one better. I don't know, just personal preference. And this is worth some more makeup cleansing wipes. This is Almay Clear Complexion 4-in-1. It's from the #1 eye makeup remover brand in America. I think these were just okay. This was a Boscia Purifying Cleansing Gel. I used this all up. I'd had this in a hate it, and I love a lot of stuff from Boscia, but this just wasn't that great for me. Another one of my sister's items. She is so sad that she has used all this up. It's the Derma E Micro Dermabrasion Scrub. She likes more scrubs than I do. I only use a scrub once a week on my face, otherwise it's too much. It's too much. This is from Skin Food Egg White Perfect Pore Cleansing Foam. My sister got this in an Ipsy, and she thought it was really good. I'm trying to get it close to the camera without it being washed out from the light. This is Clinque Take Off the Day. Love it. Would definitely repurchase. I need to just bite the bullet and get a full size. Some Sexy Hair Soy Tri-Wheat Leave-In Conditioner. This stuff is really, really good. I love the Sexy Hair blue bottle stuff. The red hair stuff's good too, but I prefer the blue bottle. Some Tatcha Pure Cleansing Oil. Got this in an Ipsy. I think I got this twice in an Ipsy, or once in an Ipsy, once in a Play. Love it. It's just so expensive, but it's really, really good. This is this Hey Honey Besamo Mucho Shea Butter for dry trapped lips. I love this stuff. I will probably repurchase this. I'm going to just buy it online, because I think that's the only place I know where to get Hey Honey products is online. Some Urban Decay Primer Potion. I have already repurchased. My favorite eye primer. Love it. This is from First Aid Beauty Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I love this. If you've got dry skin, if you want more of a glowy, radiant look, you should definitely use this primer. Love it, love it, love it. If you have oily skin, I would probably steer clear. But if you are more on the dry side, I say go for it. L'Oreal Luminous primer. This is a really good primer, mascara primer. If you're looking for a good mascara primer and you don't want to go high end, get the L'Oreal. It's definitely worth the L'Oreal. This is a Maybelline. I'm pretty sure this is a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It was good. I've repurchased a Buxom mascara. I really, really like this mascara. It's got kind of a bigger wand on it, which I kind of like because I like the Urban Decay Perversion. It's really, really good. It's nice and black. I've got some more mask here. This was from Yada, a vitalizing mask pack. It was really good. This was from So AE, a black charcoal hydrogel mask, which I really enjoyed. I like the hydrogel. It feels good on the skin. These Shiseido, these are the under eye express smoothing eye mask. These are so good. Didn't mean to blind you, but these are really, really good. If you ever get a chance to try those, you should. This was Perricone MD Hydrating Cloud Cream. I thought it was okay. I wouldn't repurchase. I'd rather get the Peter Thomas Roth Cloud Cream because that's where it's at. This was from Algenist, their Recharge Night Press Serum. I loved it. Algenist, it's so good. I love the Algenist brand, but it's so expensive. This was a KNC Beauty Collagen Lip Mask. I liked it. It was good for my lips. Some Dior Fresh Hydration Sorbet Cream. I use this. I love it. It's probably so expensive. I don't even want to look it up to see how much it is. A concealer duo from Physicians Formula. It had the green and just the skin colored concealer. I liked it. I thought it was good. The It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. The first time I used this, I did not like it. The second time, I was pleasantly surprised and I really, really liked it. So I probably would repurchase this once I kind of go through my mascaras. This is the Michael Kors Wonderlust. I think this smells really good, but I used it all up. A Kat Von D. This was one of the eye pencils, eyeliners. Like the sharpened kind, the kind you have to sharpen. My sister said it's really good, but it was just, it's getting past its prime. And then this was a concealer. It's a concealer stick, which I'm not too big on, from CoverGirl, and it's okay. I wouldn't repurchase because I'm just not into concealer sticks. Wow, that's everything for my empties. So let me know, have you tried some of these items? You know, are you about to go through your empties? I love watching empties videos. So just let me know. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment down below. I love reading the comments. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. With that, have a fabulous day. Bye.